Now then guys, welcome back to Dive Loop Coasters. My name is Sam and you join me here today from Madrid here at Babylon Park. So this is a very small little park just on the side of a shopping centre. We've also got Coaster Crazy Andy, we've got Paul, a couple of guys have actually joined us here as well. Hello, been a while. So yeah,
guess what folks? There's a DJI shop in there.
There is.
But we ain't got any money to buy a new camera.
So yes, we have to stick with a GoPro.
Vlogging friends.
You're there, Paul.
I think you need to start a GoFundMe.
GoFundMe for me for a new camera.
Yeah, a new camera.
Well, yeah, leave that down below.
DJI Action 6.
But yeah, it's just come out, hasn't it? It should be good.
We've just been in there. They sold them in a day.
A day,
sold out in a day.
Whereas these things are available constantly, so
yeah,
speaks for itself. Anyway, we're going to head in the park anyway. We've got a credit here. So on this trip, we're actually doing part 1 of Madrid and we're doing part of the attraction. So stay tuned for those vlogs after this one. But there's one credit here and there's a couple of rides. So we'll head in there now. This is going to be a very short vlog. But yeah, we'll take you on with the POV and show you what's here. Now then, here we are. Let's head on in then. So I have no idea what to expect. So the price today, I think Paul has kindly booked us it, so it was £10.50 and you get 2 hours, or you can get a wristband, it's about £7, about something like that. So I'll find the exact price up on the screen now. But yeah, what we've got here then, so we've got Dodgems, we've got kiddie Dodgems here, and obviously we've got the coaster there as well. Now I believe this is a Myra spinning coaster, so of course we're going to head on this first, get you guys a POV, then check out the rest of the park. Just a little kiddie park. I'm quite excited for this. So yeah, we'll jump on the front. We'll take you on.
Send it!
There we go. Was it Montana Rooster this?
Montana Rooster.
SBF Visa spinning coaster.
Oh, at the front. I thought we were going that way.
Well, I looked at the moment. So.
POV, yeah.
Right, let's do it. Oh, it's a bit bumpy.
Why have you not spinning? They're spinning.
Here we go.
Spin. I'm spinning.
Chest band for this, guys. We're allowed to just hold it. So
you know you're too old to ride coasters when you go on a coaster. It doesn't make you smile. It makes you smile. You're not too old.
There we go.
I love it.
Oh, full lap special, are we? I think she's going to keep sending it, isn't she? Happy with that. So guys, you can't argue with the +1, can you? That was actually quite good. Very similar layout. I think it was the same layout, just the one at Emerald Park there. But yeah, quite enjoyable. What do you reckon, lads? Best coaster you've ever ridden?
One of them, yeah. Indoors.
So, just like Ride to Happiness, guys, honestly fantastic. We're actually going on this little Tagada now. Look at this. What is it? La Ula? Right, here we go then.
Tagada!
This is good. In fact, the last time me and Paul did a Tagada, we nearly fell off, didn't we, lads?
All third. I bruised my back.
Let's see you on this one.
Tripled the daily taking.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Tame this one.
See that?
Yeah, I say that. Oh,
he said it! He said it! We're going now! Oh my God!
Nice, well done.
I'm glad you got a seatbelt.
Turn into 11. Tighten up that seat.
Does it now? Yeah, that's cool.
Come on, the yellow.
Oh, Christ. That's like on a real kiddie Tagada, it's pretty good, I'll give it that.
This is the best travel vlog I've ever filmed.
Well, that's the little Tagada then, so yeah, that was, I will say, as Andy said there, yeah, don't underestimate a kiddie ride, that's quite good. Very dizzy though, if you don't like dizzy ride, because it's such a small kind of diameter, you just get chucked around, so very dizzy. But yeah, really good. We've now got a little drop tower over here, and we'll probably jump back on this. That's pretty much all there is here. Really quick vlog there, but I just thought I'd show it, seeing as we're in the area. And then we've got a little drop tower here. Now, because we're all quite big and it's not really designed for us, it's only 4 per ride, this one, but that's fine. We can get some off-ride shots after. So yeah, we'll jump on this. I think it's an SBF Visa, this one as well. Oh yeah, thank you very much. It's not quite as intense as, you know, something like Atmosphere, but there we are. Should we get right? Let's see you at the top. There we go, then we're going to dispatch. Oh. I love this little kid one. It's got the vlogging setup down there. Oh, they're good fun. A little chair sitting there as well. We'll get some off-road shots in a second of Andy on it. There he is. Airtime there. More airtime than UK. So I do like the little fans and everything. Just the theme of this place is really good actually. Yeah, just a small little thing to start the shopping centre. There we go. Oh! I tell you, for all the adults on this, it's going quite well. Tower of Terror. Yeah, way! Wild, coaster crazy Andy appears. It is actually a fun little ride, I'll give you that. Whee! I have to say, I always like the SPF Visa Towers. My favourite one was Magma, obviously it's a bit taller than this one, but it's more just, it's not like a scary drop, it's just, you know, airtime. And for the kids, that's fantastic, actually, really good fun. We had a good laugh on there. Really long cycle, it was about 3 minutes on that one. So, again, I know it's a kids park, but, you know, they've done a good job here. So, yeah, really enjoyable little ride there. So, there's loads of little games and things here as well. Little punch machines over there. Loads of arcade games. So these aren't included in the little the 2-hour thing we bought. But if you just get the wristband like that, you can actually put money on it, and then you just basically scan what you want. And they all take a certain amount of coins and tokens. So yeah, it's a tiny little place, as you can see. There's one side and there's the other. But honestly, really fun little day. You know, for like an hour or two, yeah, it's great. So right, we're at the Dodgems, I think. So we're going to go in here. We're obviously going to pick on Andy when we're on this one, aren't we, Andy?
Dodgems!
Yeah.
Dodgems takeover.
That's an enthusiast takeover. It's too
These are really good. Did the one in London, they're crazy. They just skid everywhere.
Alright, let's head on in there. Look at these maniacs here. So yeah, Andy seems to be going sideways more than forwards. Look at Paul. He's just driving a straight line, son. There's definitely a bit of a knee room issue here. What is this? That's basically pulling all right then. Here we go. Oh, God. Beep beep. I've got one hand here. Got Keith vlogging over there as well. Oh, you don't have the sideways here. How do you control this thing? We're all just drifting. Oh, God. Not quite as intense as the one at Hull there, but everyone just goes sideways. Oh, bloody hell. There's a bit of a head on. Oh, right. We're going, we kind of going. Oh, I think I broke it. There we go. No! I said, there's not really much control. This thing doesn't do anything, I tell you. It's more just, you go where it wants you to go. Oh Christ, ow. Hello. Hello. I said that was good fun. I will say, could you control yours?
No.
It just kind of does what it wants. It's good fun though, I tell you. You just end up drifting into each other, but yeah.
They're a bit wacky dodgems.
Yeah, a bit wacky dodgems, yeah. But yeah, really good fun on there for the kids. So I think we've got one more ride in this area, then we'll go back on the coaster. And that's basically the vlog. Ah, we can't go on it. It's a little pirate ship.
Oh, what a shame.
Too heavy. I'm too fat, guys.
It'll be alright.
That 5 guys we had earlier.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not happening. Well, there's a pirate ship there anyway. What else we got? We've got a little chair swing over there. And I think we've got the coaster, so yeah, well, I think that's it. So we're just going to hand our wristband back and then we'll head on outside and we'll let you know. Right, yeah, just come out of Babylon Park there. So I tell you, the sun's out now. It's absolutely red hot in there. It's freezing cold out here, so we'll stand that way anyway. But yeah, honestly, really good little park. It's like say an hour and you're pretty much done in there. You can like say do the wristband and pay like I think it was £25 for like 350 tokens, something like that. Then everything you do in there costs tokens, so that will also get you in the games and the rest of it as well. So if you do want to do that, you can do that. Or if you just want to hear for the credit and a couple of the rides, then do what we did. How much was it? It was £10.
€10.50.
So about £9.50, something like that, pounds.
Yeah.
That's 2 hours, and that's, trust me, that's plenty of time. I think we've been about 45 minutes, so yeah, really enjoyable, good little rides in there. Yeah, can't really say anything. What do you think, Andy?
Hello.
Hello, you enjoy it, mate?
My second ever Babylon Park.
Oh, there you are then.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
What was the other one you did? London?
One in
London.
Yeah, one in London.
This one better or the same?
Well, this one's like half the price.
Okay, well there you are.
The one in London's really expensive,
Yeah.
but what we paid for that wristband for 2 hours was about £8.30.
Is that the conversion, is it?
Yeah.
You can't argue with that.
It's about £8.36 or something like that for a 2 hour wristband.
Yeah, I'm just saying you don't need 2 hours, but it's nice that you get it.
You just go and get the rides and yeah, and then leave.
it.
Really, it was just nice to come and support them.
Yeah.
You can see it wasn't very busy in there. It is midweek, obviously. It probably gets busier during on the weekends and stuff. But yeah, good to see you.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
That's like, if you do, once you've done it, you just head to the shopping centre, which is right there. Right, we are going to head now. We're doing some Christmas market. We'll do that, and then we will see you guys tomorrow at Park 1 in Madrid for the Your Experience Guide event. So stay tuned to the channel for that one. But that's it then, guys. If you do want to see more content like this, then make sure to check out the video links here. Please do like and subscribe to the channel for all the latest. But from me and all the guys here today, here at Babylon Park in Madrid, thank you so much for watching. Good night. God bless. See you in the next one.
And don't forget the GoFundMe so you can buy a new camera.
See you later.